Hello guys, konnichiwa. Mayam nungayuhi ko. Hope you guys are safe and stay at home and taking care of yourself and your family. So today I'm going to make a chicken momos at home without the steamers. Hope you guys like my video. So let's start. So these are the ingredients to make a chicken momos. So I cut here onions fine chop and spring onions, cabbage and coriander and green chili and small piece of ginger. Here we have 250 gram chicken mince. So now I'm going to make atta. I took a small bowl of maida. So I add here. One egg. So let's mix this. Without water I'm adding first. Mix nicely. Add little 2-3 drops oil. Add water. So now my atta is ready almost. See, you can see it's become soft. So let's keep for 15 minutes. Cover this like this piece of cloth. So now let's mix the filling of chicken momos. First I add half of tablespoon soya sauce, and all the ingredients add here to the chicken mince. And add some black pepper powder for a taste. If you like spicy, you can add little chili powder for a taste. And ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Mix well. You can add a little turmeric powder, just pinch it. So now the filling is ready. The smell is also coming nice. See, after 15 minutes the atta has become soft. So you can see it's become soft. So let's make the momos casing. make the small pieces of dough. Now I'm going to roll the momos casing. The rolling is not easy, it is, yeah. You're trying to make a very thin this casing as you can possible. So you can see here my filling is my casing is very thin, you can see here. So make sure please make a thin casing so that it's easy to cook your filling. So let's fill. Now I'm boiling the water to steam our momos in the vessel. Now I'm taking the strainer. So let's apply the little oil on the base so that the momos don't get stuck in the base. Now I'm putting the momos in the strainer. Now the water is almost hot, so let's put the momos over here and cover it for the 10 minutes. So now the momos is cooked, so let's take it out. So now momos are ready. So hope you guys like my video, and please like, subscribe and share. Bye, see you next week.